In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Jira Service Management. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through creating and managing forms right from within your project. To begin, we'll start by navigating through your Jira Service Management project. First, head over to Project Settings. Here you'll find Request Management. Once you're there, click on Forms. This is where all your form-related activities will be conducted. Next, to create a new form, you'll want to click on Create Form. You have the option to start from scratch by creating a blank form, or you can choose to create from template, if you'd prefer a pre-made structure. Selecting the appropriate option here depends on your project's needs and your level of comfort with form building. Now you'll need to give your form a name and a description. This is important because it helps clarify the form's purpose and guides users on how to fill it out correctly. Once you have your form titled and described, it's time to build it. The form builder is equipped with various field types like text, drop-downs, and checkboxes, among others. Feel free to select and place these elements as needed to create a form that fits your requirements. After building your form, it's essential to test it. Utilize the preview function to see how your form will look to users. This step allows you to experience the form from the customer's perspective, ensuring that any conditional logic or validation functions correctly before launching it live. When your form is complete, you can enhance customer requests by attaching these forms to specific request types. This adjustment will make forms automatically appear when customers raise requests through the portal, providing a seamless and more efficient process for gathering the needed information. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click on Save Changes to preserve all the effort you've put into creating your form. Your work doesn't stop at saving, there's still more you can do. Hover your mouse over your existing form. You'll see 3 dots appear on the right hand side. Clicking this gives you several options. Here you can edit your form if changes are needed, duplicate it if you want to reuse it in another context, or even copy it to another project. Additionally, if you need to delete a form, or simply would like to have its form ID or export details into an XLSX file for reporting or backup purposes, all these options are readily available. Managing forms effectively not only streamlines request handling, but also significantly enhances your overall service delivery. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering forms in Jira Service Management. Don't hesitate to experiment and tweak your forms to suit your project's specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.